Hi again. In the previous video I was unable to show you some feature that was premium content, so I've upgraded this user to premium. So let's see. You will see that the ad area here is gone, and also there's no longer any pop-up ads. So let's see. If you go to a position and then you can click actions and click GNU score hint. This one will give you a GNU evaluation on different scores. And you see in this case GNU would always play making the 3 point. So let's see if you have some different move. So edit actions and set dice. I also ran into a bug in the previous video where you could only set the first dice once. Actually, it's you can call it a feature since you could clear the dice and then set it again. But now you can click on them repeatedly, and it works as you'd expect. So, would you play this one differently depending on score? Perhaps on Gammon Go you want to go 2 down, so let's see if GNU agrees with that. On Gammon Go GNU would want to go 2 down, yeah. So and you see some different scores. If you are ahead on score 4-0 to 7, then you want to go to 21 in order to make a forward anchor. So let's see. Then I think I showed you the other ones. And hitting throws, yeah, that's an interesting one. Here you see there are we have no hitting throws, but what if we move one checker there? And now we see we are able to hit with 6-4. What is one? Suddenly we are able to, we have 7 hitting throws here. So we can also switch the sides here and see opponent doesn't have any hitting throws. If we decide to move something like this, 4, and now suddenly opponent is able to hit with almost everything, well actually with everything. Now if we are trying to be a little more safe and play this, and we see there now there's only 11 hitting throws for the opponent. Score plays. How would you play the different scores? Let me see. How do you play 2-1 on different scores? Here you see for money you play slotting the 5 point, and Gammon Go do the same. Actually you would slot the 5 point for all of them. That's a bit surprising. I would always play something like this on the using 2-1. It's a bit, it's not as aggressive. Let's go, let me see. Maybe it affected by 6 or 2-4. You'll always make the 4 point. Report evaluation. If you find that some XG evaluation, what you find oops, here in this section, if that looks completely bogus, then you can report evaluation, and I can take a look and do a rollout. Autoplay match, that's a funny one. If you have found a great match and you just want to watch it, and you can let Backgammon Studio do the moves for you, and you can just bring out the popcorn and watch. Clicking again should stop it. Yes. Yeah, swap size, that's moving the who's on turn arrow up and down. You can also click directly on the arrow. Export snowy, that's perhaps a bit obscure, but the Norwegian backgammon forum is able to understand positions on this format, so I included that feature. Right, and settings, I think we already looked at that earlier. And let me see. I think I showed most of the IS. You have a interesting feature, search. But match info is, as you'd expect, some information about this match. Some XG report. Let me see. On how well the players did, and also a button to download the match. Bookmark position. If you find an interesting position, you can bookmark them, and then you can add. You have a bookmark section where you have bookmarks in different in a folder structure. So you could decide to put this bookmark into the blitzing game, which since the position type has been considered a blitzing game, and or you can decide to put it on in a specified folder. You can just put it in the root. And also a new feature is that you can also add a note to this position as you are bookmarking it. Interesting. Well, exclamation and save. And now we can we saw that we had a go to bookmarks button. We can use this on desktop. You can also click on Control B, I think. If you go there, and here we see that position we have just bookmarked, and with that note we added. And if we click on it, we should end up on this position. Oh yes, when you go to bookmarks like this, you will have a new menu option to go to the actual match from that this position belongs to. And now we are back to where we started. Yes. I think I'll do a search in a separate video since it's rather strange feature perhaps. Yep, see you.